The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. It's a new video, and for you faithful subscribers, welcome back to the new Cardano video. So we're gonna talk about Cardano because Cardano went live on Coinbase Pro, if I'm not mistaken, and it's instantly dumping. So I see a lot of fear in the market, so I thought I should come with some good news, and I think it's kind of bottoming out where it should be, and it's actually doing what it's supposed to be doing. I'm gonna show you why. But I don't think there's any reason to be negative about Cardano right now. Anyways, let's get into the charts and see what we see and start talking about what we did last time. So if you remember the last video, I said because we are quite bullish, right? We said we were gonna go up, and I said we are into this trading range. I said we are gonna go zigzag in here, right? And then suddenly it just broke all the way up through the resistance at 131. I was like, whoa, that's too much, that's too much. And that's after that I heard that the Cardano was listed on Coinbase Pro. Of course, after that came this big red candle, and everybody is like, what's happening? You know, so I'm gonna explain to you what's actually happening over here. But it looks like we are going back into this trading range over here, but there is a really nice trending line that's gonna give you like, oh, that's nice support line, you know. Once you see the support line, you're gonna understand everything. So basically we should have been trading between 150 and 131, but because of the good news and euphoria and people are being very optimistic, then we kind of went too fast up. Do I say too fast up? There's a very good things about here and positives. And the reason I'm making this video because I just read a community post from that guy Benjamin. You know, the guy with the lengthening cycles, the cryptoverse, the guy, yeah. He said like, oh, you know, I'm bullish on Cardano, but too much euphoria, be sure about risk management and stuff like that. So I was like, you know, I'm not gonna say anything about his technical analysis or anything, because he's a long-term, what are you gonna say? He's not chartist, he analyzes long-term history of prices, and we know that history is usually it's not all that good predictor of what's gonna happen. Now I've been talking too much, so let's get into what's actually happening here. Let's get into what's actually happening. So basically we should be trading in this range. We didn't, we blew up because of Coinbase Pro. We are now back, everybody's scared, and what's happening now? Now look at this. We are still very bullish because this was some kind of high, then you get to a low, then higher high, higher low, higher high. Now you can argue that this was some kind of a fallback, higher low, but lower high and stuff like that. But this can also be higher low, and now this part over here over this is higher high. So all the way through we have been having higher highs and higher lows. So we have been bullish all the way through, even though people have been panicking all the way down here. Okay, so we got this higher highs all the way up to there, because this move down here never fell below the bottom over here. So this is actually a higher low. So we have a higher low, higher high, entire move up here. So that's very bullish. I mean, you have to understand it's very, very bullish. So let's start getting into the 4-hourly chart, and this is what I was actually expecting to happen, that we are gonna get into this range and gonna go zigzag, but I did not expect it to break the 131 resistance, and you can see now we are right back into this area over here, back in the area. Now on the moving averages we are getting, this is the 4-hourly. Let's look at the daily. We went down to the 20 moving average. Where's the 10 moving average? There's the 10 moving average, 10-20 moving average right down there. Got support. There's no problem. Are there problems? No problem. Still getting even the 4-hourly, man. Look at the 4-hourly. Yes, we broke the 10 moving average, but this is 4-hourly. 20 moving average is holding like, you know what, you know, there is no problem here. There's no problem. This is 4-hourly, but we weren't about to get this bullish cross over here before this red candle, but it's very close. Now this can also change until we get the cross. Nothing is certain, everything is changed, so don't look at it. But but the RSI and on all time frames is not overbought or anything, so there is no need to like to panic yet or anything. So RSI, MACD, all good, still all good. No bullish cross yet, but still all good. So I'm expecting we're gonna trade this, still continue trading in this range before we actually get that bullish cross. And now comes the best part of the video. The best part. I mean, when you see this part of the video, you're gonna be see, oh man, you are the best chartist ever. You know, you're gonna hit that like button like it's 1984. You're gonna be like, oh man, how did you find that? How did you find that? You know, what can I say? I've been watching charts for too long. Anyways, you can see here that it actually does have some kind of a support and resistance line. And if you see it really closely, we can use magnet for this. It's perfect. It's perfect. It's super nice. Look at this. When coming up here, it was resisting the line, make the resistance, broke it, went out, tested support, went above it, down, support, went up, support, went over it, here broke it down, went up, resisted it, resistance, went down, went above it, support, jumped above it, and now it's back down to the support line. This support line over here is holding. We have the support on the line, we have the support on the 20 moving average. Why are you people panicking? It's just a normal movement. This is the most beautiful line in Cardano you have ever seen. Now that you have seen it, you have to press the like button and subscribe to this channel, because nobody, I don't know any other channel that have found the line. You know, this line. So now I haven't done this yet, but we can just see if we can get anything of these parallel movements over here and see if we are if we can get anything out of it. So I don't think it's that high up. Maybe it's over here. Let me just see a bit. Let me just, if this is the line, then this should be some kind of a parallel somewhere around here. Yeah, give or take, something like this. So you can see here. Yeah, but this part broke through the halfway through. It worked as a resistance, maybe some kind of support up here on the line. Broke it, went through it, broke it down. Resistance again. This middle line is kind of bugging me. It worked fine here, but then and now it's working fine as well over here. But yeah, we are not gonna use because it's not that beautiful, it's not that good looking. But this line over here, the support line, the line that's been holding entire move upside until we broke it down here and got resisted up here and went even further down, and then we jumped back above it. Now that we jumped above it, I don't expect actually this to fall through the line. Do you know why? Because usually these kind of strong lines that go over a long period of time, acting as a support over a big period of time, once you break it on the downside, you broke it on the downside, and then after you get back above it, if you're on option, it should usually mean strong support because you are above it, especially if you break some other resistances like moving averages, important horizontal resistance and stuff like that. So I'm very bullish on Cardano. I don't see why people are panicking. I know it went down, and if you look it like on 1 hour or something like that, like it's a big drop, especially if you zoom like out. Oh my god, we just dropped this much. How much is this? How much is this? From the top over here down to the top, 60. Oh my god, we dropped 16%. You know, 16% maybe if in the stock market is a lot, but then you zoom out, and then you can almost not even see the red candle. You understand? There is no need to panic. It's good. Everything is fine. Engines are going. Cardano still bullish. Don't worry about it. Press the subscribe button, press the like button, press the write down in the comments because of YouTube algorithm. Share the video, tell everybody, hey, this guy says Cardano is gonna be okay. Cardano is gonna be okay. Okay, I said that, and if I said that, you know, it's gonna be okay. Not a financial advice, my opinion, you know that shebang, but it's gonna be okay. Thanks for watching, guys. See you more tomorrow.